Hi folks, this is All the Fruit. I'm on the island of Tenerife in the city of Puerto, and here is quite a deep gorge, or barranco as they like to call it. And this barranco is completely overgrown with invasive trees. Basically here it goes down another 14 to 15 meters. And pretty much all of the invasive trees are the ombo or bella sombra, Phytolacca dioica, a symbol of Argentina, Uruguay, and the gaucho culture. The gauchos are the cowboys of South America. And as you can see, this invasive tree has fruit. Well, why is it a symbol of the gaucho culture? Well, basically because it's toxic. Well, how to explain this? In the pampas of South America, in those grasslands, trees don't grow very well. This one grows quite well because it's almost succulent. It has some sort of giant bulb, tuber or structure at the base, which can be several cubic meters. And also it's toxic, so the cows don't eat it. Well, the good thing that the cows don't eat it is that the cows and the gauchos with their horses can find shade under the tree. That's why it's called bella sombra, the good shade. I've never read of this tree having edible fruit. However, a couple days ago I saw pigeons eating such dried up fruit. I tried the fruit and it turned out that the fruit, which were pretty dry, tasted like dried cranberries or dried cherries. Still don't try them. If it says highly toxic, you should not eat this fruit. The fruit, which were like half dried, tasted similar but quite disgusting. So now, of course, I'm curious what the fresh fruit will taste like. And the second reason I'm making this video is to show you how invasive this tree is. Those are, 10 to 15 meter high trees with pretty thick trunks, and I have taken over this whole barranco here, and even such invasive things as the ailanthus trees are struggling to compete with them. Now I will try the fruit, but please don't do this. This plant is certified as being toxic, so don't try its fruit. Here are some unripe fruit. Quite a weak smell. Well, the taste is sweet, bitter, astringent, and disgusting. Now let's try a ripe fruit here. Well, let's try the half-ripe fruit, which is still not that soft. Sweet and sour, and a little bit disgusting, but not too bad. Maybe I did not eat enough. Now let's try the fruit, which is already soft and translucent. This tastes like a fully ripe fig. Like a juicy, sweet fig. Interesting. No disgusting taste. I will... now, there is some aftertaste. Some weak mouth-watering aftertaste, which I experienced about a week ago when I ate the other ones. Let's try a little bit more. Well, nice. Tastes like cranberries or sour cherries, like half dried and half like a jam or sweet jelly. Phew. 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 Very mixed taste sensations on this bella sombra. Yeah, the aftertaste again is quite disgusting. You know, usually toxic things taste bad and edible things taste good. This is just a rule of thumb. It's not the law. It's not written in stone. So you can have edible things which taste disgusting, and you can have toxic things which taste great. And this Bella Sombra, it tastes great at first, but the aftertaste is quite bad. I really would have to research what the toxic components in the fruit are and if there is a way to remove them. Because in those grassland regions where there is not a lot of fruit, any fruit you can eat safely is quite valuable. So if it was possible to remove the toxins from the fruit and remove this horrible aftertaste, this could become at least a valuable fruit for areas where other fruits are very hard to grow. So folks, this was the mysterious Omba or Bella Sombra, Phytolacca dioica, a toxic and invasive plant with some quite intriguing taste. Please don't try it. Somebody might blame me that I made you try this dangerous plant. Also, please don't plant it because look at this nice gorge. Basically, you cannot see it. Where there was the gorge, there is a flat canopy of this ombu at the same height as the banks of the gorge. So please don't plant it. It seems to be far too invasive to be planted. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful island of Tenerife. And of course, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.